So our word shuffle game is complete and we have all our components ready. The last minor thing that I want to do is to show a toast notification to the user once he either loses the game or if he wins the game. And for that, let's go to our component library and search for show toast. I hope by now you know the importance of this component library, because everything that we are doing so far, we are taking the reference from here only. We are simply copy pasting the code from here and developing our own components. So make sure that you bookmark this and you take the reference from here and you read this documentation and specification tab for the components that you are using. So here it says that we have a show toast event that we can use to show the toast notification to the user. So what I'll do, I'll copy this code and I'll go to my board panel component, because this is where I know if a user has won the game or not. So let's go to the controller file, and this is the method that tells us whether a user has won or not. So what I'll do, I'll create a new method inside my helper file. I'll simply paste the thing that I copied from my component library. And here this toast notification accepts a title and a message property. We can also define a type here, and the type can be of, I guess, error, warning, success and info. You can check it out under the specification tab. We have error, warning, success and info type. So either we can show our toast notification in this way, but since we want to make our method as a reusable method, I want to accept these values from my controller file. So I'm going to remove these parameters here, but I'm going to accept a title value, then a message value, and then a type value. And I'm going to pass these values to these parameters here. So this way we'll dynamically generate a new toast notification. In case of the user loses, we are going to generate an error toast notification, but if user wins, then we are going to generate a success toast notification. So let's copy this method and we are going to call it from our own result handler method. Helper.showToast. First we need to supply the, I guess, message value, no, title value. The title should be you win. The message can be, let's name it as hooray, and the type will be of success. Now let's copy this and paste again. This time we'll say you lose. I'm going to say reshuffle the board to keep playing. And the last thing would be to show the error. Now let's deploy our changes. Let's select a game mode and click on start new game. And here you see, once we have won the game, then we see this success toast notification, and our game result also shows us the latest result. If we play another game, okay, I think we are in luck. We keep winning these games. Okay, I won again, maybe this time, and now we have lost. So here it says you lose, reshuffle the board to keep playing. So that's it, our word shuffle game is complete, and that brings us to the end of this section as well. I hope you love developing Aura components, and I hope now you know all the basic fundamentals that we have covered in this section.